It's raining right now, but it's fine. We're still gonna have fun. Today is October 11th, Saturday, so just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. So it's hot chocolate season. I got my Dunkin'. He wants to say hi. I love me some hot chocolate. Right now, we're headed to BBQs. We did have a good day at the Intrepid. It's like sweater weather too, which I kind of like, you know, sweater weather. It's like raining and stuff. I need to get me some boots. Now I get to bring Nathan here. Super, super cute. It's a Saturday, so it's like a super packed. So right now we are headed to Five Below, and you know my favorite store, Trader Joe's, because we do need to get a couple of stuff. So this is a cute little park. It's super, super cute. They have like little toys over here too. But let me show you guys. Oh, a little slide as well. Super, super cute. It's just drizzling right now, but it's fine. We're letting him like use all his energy. It's super, super cute. But let me show you guys a little haul before we go upstairs of what we got at Five Below. So yeah, in a weird position right now, and I'm super sorry for that. But we did get him birthday presents already, but I'm not gonna show you that until his birthday. But I did want to show you guys something else. I got this cute pajama pants for Christmas. Super, super cute. It's long and it's super soft. And then me and Louis, we always get matching shirts, and it's like I love it. But I'm gonna just show you one shirt that I got. Well, us, for both of us. Me and him got the same shirt. It says feeling jolly. Super, super cute, and I love it. And mine is a small. So this shirt will look cute with the long pants. Super, super cute. I cannot wait until Nathan's birthday. I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but once the time comes, you're gonna know. But right now we're just hanging around in the park for a little while. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. And I'm so mad that I deleted day 1, so I'm gonna refilm that video as well, so y'all can get all 7 videos like I said. So yeah. Whew. And it's like I love it when there is nobody at the park. Like there is nobody at the park. Now he's gonna go down that slide. Well, he's gonna bring down that toy first. Uh-oh. So I'm gonna end this video here. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Like, comment, share, subscribe, comment down your favorite thing about this video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.